Hi there and welcome back. Today we're going to fry some striped bass with tomato sauce. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, we need around 400 grams of striped bass. Marinate the fish on both sides with 1 teaspoon of salt. Repeat the same process with half teaspoon of pepper. Keep it marinated for at least 10 minutes. This year I have grown some medium-sized tomatoes. It's perfect for the dish. We only need like 2 of them, which is around 200 grams. I also cut a few green onions. The next step is to make sure that they are washed properly. Now, take the tomato and cut them in small pieces. In a pan, add some oil. Once the oil is hot enough, you can add the fish. Fry until they turn golden brown on both sides. Once they are cooked, take them out. Next, add 1 tablespoon of garlic, ginger, and shallot. Stir it for a few seconds. After that, add the tomatoes. Stir it well until the juice comes out. After that, add 1 cup of water. Then add half teaspoon of salt. Also, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. Then 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. And finally, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now boil the whole thing. Once you reach the boiling point, add the fish. Cook them until the sauce thickens. And voila! Look at the color! So tasty! Bon appétit!